Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to JEC World 2023. Now, I know as I stand here and as you sit there in front of me as well, many of you, this is certainly not your first time to JEC World, and for many of you, perhaps this is the first experience of what this is all about. Now, here's something that I saw the other day, certainly on LinkedIn, looking at the hashtag JEC World, and I saw that our team, putting everything together over the last couple of days, and you can imagine it's taken them a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of sweat and tears to put all this together. I saw on LinkedIn somebody wrote, "I'm really looking forward to JEC World because this is the heartbeat of the industry." And if you think about it, it really is, isn't it? Really the heartbeat, the pulse, the temperature of really what this industry is all about. And over the next 3 days or so together, you'll have an idea how you can really understand the challenges that we're all facing in this industry. But most of all, probably most importantly as well, it's the conversations, right? It's the conversations, it's the open-mindedness of being here and exploring those conversations and seeing where those conversations unfold and naturally in the future to make better business. Right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all really from me right now, but I'm going to introduce to you now a man who can tell you more about what's been happening, more about what's happening right now, and what's really going forward in the future as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage right now the Director of VP and Events, Mr. Thomas Leprêtre.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for making the trip to Paris one more time, or for making it for the first time. We are super happy to welcome you to JEC World 2023. 2023 is going to be a special year for us at JEC, as we are celebrating the 60th anniversary of the organization. 60 years with a mission of promoting composites materials over the world, and what we call 60 years of connecting the world with composites. It's also a very special year for the composites industry, as we are completely back to growth mode with an estimated 3 to 4% increase per year over the next 5 years. Thanks to everyone making the trip to Paris every year for these events, we can truly claim that JEC World is unique. It is the place where the global composites industry meets every year, but it's also the place that we call the Festival of Composites, the place where people who know nothing about composites materials are going to come to talk with the industry experts, to learn about composites material, what they can achieve everywhere, and what they can do for them. This supports the composite material industry in overcoming its two biggest challenges. First one is to increase the usage of composites materials in end users industry that don't use them intensively. And the second one is to compete with steel, aluminum, titanium, and other materials in all end users industries and at a global scale. You will see this week that JEC World is starting to be more and more global. We have people from all over the world, a global audience, a global attendance, but we will implement and we will display some very specific highlights on local, national initiatives to learn more on specific country or specific markets. We will have this week exhibitors from 46 countries. We have country and region pavilions that are here to support small-scale companies and startups to come every year to the show and to mix with the big companies of the industry. This is really important as the purpose of JEC World is to make sure that the whole industry is there. Any type of organization, companies, research centers, cluster, economic development organization, networks, everyone is here, no matter the type of products they supply, no matter the countries they come from, they need to be here, and our mission is to make sure we give them a chance to connect with everyone. Thousands of visitors are already within the show, at the entrances, on the area. There is no strike this week, so that's a good news. They will be coming here from more than 110 countries. We know that these people and the discussions you will all have with them are going to generate new ideas, new projects, and new business opportunities. So everyone will come out of this event with something new to bring to their company. This will also reinforce the confidence on the future of composites and what composites can bring in every end-user industry. These people come to see something. So what we are going to see this week, the main motto of this year is going to be Composites for a Sustainable World. So where there will be a lot of discussion on sustainability. There will be 4 main conferences dedicated to that. First one will be dedicated to new bio-based materials. Second one on lightweighting, of course, a topic we cannot avoid. Third one is going to be on the 4 Rs. As you know, we're talking about recycling, reusing, repurposing, and repairing. And the 4th conference will focus on less is better. So any project to reduce waste, cost, energy, and time in a manufacturing process. The fact that we talk about sustainability is not just going to be on displayed on what sustainability brings to the composites value chain. We'll talk as well on how composites can decarbonize ground transportation, what the role of composites are going to be in the next generation aircraft, and also what composites material can bring in building and construction in terms of durability and sustainability. Composites contribute to a more sustainable world. Therefore, with the help of our suppliers, of our exhibitors, and all our partners, we have designed this year a JEC World that will be the most sustainable event ever happening in the composites industry. We have applied the 4 Rs to our event, to our manufacturing process, to our supply chain processes, to make sure that we were applying the 4 Rs and achieving sustainable targets. We will share the results of these initiatives with you. We invite all our exhibitors, visitors, to work with us towards that direction, making JEC World the most sustainable event and making each company's participation as sustainable as it can be. Our teams are available to discuss that with you at any time. JEC World is also done to make sure that companies can hire the right talents and find the right candidates for job openings. So on Thursday, for the first time, we will organize our recruitment and training day. The HR teams of the exhibiting and visiting companies can connect and recruit young talents and also industry experts and industry veterans. University will be able to connect with students, candidates, and with companies that are bringing research and training projects on the table. Last but not least, innovation. Promoting innovation has always been within our DNA, so we are very happy to be able to say that once again this week there will be more than 600 new products brought to the market by the exhibitors. In a few moments, our partner from KORDSA will give you some more information about the winners of the JEC Innovation Awards. Their projects are on display in the all 6 innovation area and within all of the winners' booths. 2023 also marks the 25th anniversary of the JEC Innovation Awards. So you can go to all 6 to the retrospective area for a trip down memory lane to see who are the winners, what were the best projects for the last 25 years of the JEC Innovation era. Once again, thank you for being here in Paris. We are delighted to be able to welcome you one more time in Villepinte. We wish you an excellent 3 days at the show. Network, learn, talk to as many people as you can. We'll do the same. Right here in Paris, we are building the future of the composites industry. I will now hand over to Müge YENMEZ, the Chief Operating Officer for EMEA Composites at KORDSA. Thank you very much to everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am grateful for the opportunity to welcome you and delighted to be here with you at JEC World 2023. As we all know, JEC World is one of the leading events bringing together all the value chains of composite industries and showcasing the most innovative technologies of composite world. Being from a company committed to innovation and sustainability, I am very honored to stand here for JEC World 2023. As KORDSA, through our mission to reinforce life, we make investment on innovation, cutting-edge, and environmental-friendly technologies in composite, tire, and construction reinforcement businesses, with our 13 facilities throughout 6 countries in all over the world. At KORDSA, we develop innovative and unique intermediate products and applications with our composite technologies. We serve industries such as automotive, aviation, as well as sports, construction, marine, railway, and industrial sectors with our facilities located in Turkey, the US, and Italy. Our Composite Technologies Center of Excellence, located in Istanbul, is one of the best examples of industry-university cooperation in the world. This collaboration with Sabancı University brings together R&D, innovation, and production under the same roof. Our three US-based companies serve mainly world's leading aerospace companies. With our new acquisition of Microtex Composites in Italy, we have expanded our service range in the automotive and motorsport fields. Ladies and gentlemen, as KORDSA, we see sustainability as an integral part of our strategy. We work closely with our suppliers and customers to ensure both social and environmental sustainability throughout the entire life cycle of our products. From procuring raw materials to delivering our final products to our customers, we are committed to sustainability. To help limit the global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, we aim to reach net zero emission by 2050. Our passion for innovation always pushes us to find new sustainable ways to empower life and create a sustainable future. We are also working on the use of recycled materials, natural fibers, bio-based polymers, and thermoplastic prepregs. We expanded our product portfolio by introducing slit tape and toe brake used in hydrogen storage vessels. KORDSA developed not only flame-retardant epoxy prepregs, but also bio-based resin-containing prepregs as alternative to existing conventional flame-retardant phenolic systems used in the world. As one of the world's leading companies in the field of advanced materials, we reinforce life by offering end-to-end solutions. Our high technical competency in composite, tire, and the construction industries is clear testament to our success in these fields. I believe that our innovative solutions will transform the industry through more sustainable future. Let's reinforce our work together with an open, sustainable, and innovative approach. And at the end of my speech, I would like to thank the JEC Organization Committee that brings us together, and I hope you will find JEC World 2023 enjoyable and productive. Thank you very much.
Obviously me again. I'm supposed to invite all the JEC Innovation Awards winners to come on stage for the pictures, please. So if you have a JEC award and that you are a winner, please join.
Dear members of jury, would you please join the winners on stage? Members of the jury, please on stage. All members of the jury, please on stage. Michelle, Dale, Yele is not here today. Do we have Karl-Heinz also? Now, everybody lift your hand and a big applause for all the winners.